May I ask you a question?
Yes.
Okay. When did you know you were a lesbian?
Well, people don't generally label me a lesbian. They label me not. When I tell them that I've been in love with a woman for 5 years and I went to bed with her only twice, they don't consider me a lesbian, they consider me nuts. She was in show business and
I'm scared to think of having a relationship with another woman. Once was enough, too painful. No matter how much I no way.
But Montserrat, I mean, in life you gotta be brave, no? Otherwise, look, you're not doing men, you're not doing women, you'll be doing a lot of museums. Okay, let's hit it.
Tall. I like tall women.
The cramps in my belly are killing me. I'll have to make the first move. I hate that. Okay, here we go. I love this Tramontana wind. Hey, Montserrat, I'm older than you are.
And taller.
And I'm going to give you a kiss now.
Anna.
May I?
Please.
Good. Simplicity. It always works.
Every time I ask you out, it always happens to be a Jewish religious day. Why?
It's not the teaching part I don't like so much. It's just, when I came to this job, they promised me some research, a couple of classes a week and research, and it ends up I'm teaching 6 courses a week, and I just feel so frustrated. I mean, I don't mind teaching. I've done it before. I did it in Boston. I did it for a while in New York, but I don't want to be a teacher. I want to be a researcher, and this is so frustrating. You know what? The part I hate the most is the administration, the bureaucracy. Who needs it? I just want to get in there and teach my classes. I don't want to go to faculty meetings. I don't want to go to dean's parties. I would like to teach, get out of there at the end of the day, research. I would like some usage of the facilities, but this politics of who's there, who has seniority, who has access to the facilities, it's nonsense. And I bet I get treated differently because I'm a woman. In fact, I'm sure of it. I'm sure of it. I don't like, the dean is, just because he knows my uncle, he thinks that he can barge in on me anytime and treat me as if I'm his niece. I'm not his niece. I'm sorry. I just get so frustrated. Thanks for letting me get that off my chest. I'm sorry.